YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Mr. Jack, and we're back in the shop today. What are we going to work on? Okay, we're going to put some shiplap on these walls. And as you can see, Jack had a fun December. What'd you do, bud?
I broke my arm.
Yeah, you broke it good. So he's going to help out. He's going to shoot some nails for me. And we're going to put her on time lapse. And it's Christmas Eve, so we got stuff to do tonight. But we're going to see what we can do here in a couple hours. Sound good? Try not to fall asleep on us.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. We're back at the shop, and I've lost my helper. Apparently watching Red 1 is more exciting than helping Dad in the cold, dirty shop.
And the rock is cooking!
So, I can't blame him on that one. So, anyway, I've got an hour until I have to be back for dinner. So, let's see what we can get done.
This is the loneliest I've ever been.
Well, we're back at it. Got a pretty good start yesterday, Christmas Eve, and it's Christmas Day. We opened presents. We're heading over to Nana's before too long, so we got a little more time. Hopefully I can knock this wall out, and yeah. As you saw, I lost my helper yesterday to The Rock.
No, I'm certainly not bitter.
He wanted to watch the new Red 1, and today he wants to play with his presents, so can't follow him on that, so I'm going to get a little work done. Here we go. Alright guys, 2 hours in, got the wall done. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Stay tuned to the channel. Going to have some short videos coming up. Going to try to do a little bit every week here at the shop. Get this place going. And next idea is going to be heat. So yeah, stay tuned. Merry Christmas to all. Well, except for The Rock. But yeah, everyone, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.